Hello everyone, now we are in Nusa Dua, Bali. I want to introduce you small plot land for sale with ocean view divided by 2 certificates. As you see, the land is ready to build, and this land has so many value like ocean view, forest and mountain view, and also Nusa Penida view in the south. And this land also located very close to the beach, is around 5 until 10 minutes driving. With all those values, this property will be very good investment for you. You can use that for a long-term investment or do developing to some unit of villas, and you can sell it or doing rental business.